Don't believe a simple plastic toothbrush holder can become a stylish decor piece? I'm about to prove you wrong, and you'll be amazed by the result. I've chosen a nautical theme, so I'm decorating the holder with seashells in all shapes and sizes. First, sand the holder's surface with fine grit sandpaper to help the shells adhere better to the plastic. Then wipe away any dust with a damp cloth. Next, fire up your hot glue gun and start attaching the shells. I'm placing medium-sized shells in neat rows, alternating their orientation, some facing up, others down. Feel free to get creative with patterns or mix in different shell varieties. Once the first layer is down, add smaller shells to fill any gaps and balance out the composition. To make it sparkle, I'm adding pearl-like beads for a touch of elegance. Then, using superglue, I'm sticking on a few glittering gems salvaged from an old piece of jewelry. When you're satisfied with the arrangement, seal the entire piece with a stone effect spray to achieve a wet sheen that really brings the colors and textures out. And there you have it, an ordinary, budget-friendly toothbrush holder magically transformed into a chic decorative emphasis. If you enjoyed this project, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button so you won't miss my next video.